In a pivotal moment on the world stage, the leaders of the United States, Russia, Ukraine, France, Britain, and Germany have come together in Alaska for high-stakes negotiations aimed at finding a peaceful resolution to the protracted conflict in Ukraine. This summit marks a significant step towards achieving a lasting peace and stability in the region. As the world watches intently, let's break down the key developments, objectives, and challenges that lie ahead in this critical endeavor. Before delving into the details of the discussions taking place in Alaska, it's crucial to understand the historical context that has brought the international community to this point. The conflict in Ukraine has its roots in a complex web of historical, cultural, and geopolitical factors. Recognizing this complexity is essential to grasping the nuances of the current negotiations and the challenges that remain. Now let's dive into the reported details emerging from the talks held in Alaska, focusing on three key areas that have been at the forefront of discussions. Starting with the territorial aspects of the conflict, it appears that one of the primary focuses of the negotiations in Alaska has been the status of certain territories, particularly those areas that have been contested or occupied since the conflict began. These areas include regions like Crimea, Donbass, Kherson, and Zaporizhia. Finding a solution that addresses the concerns of all parties involved while upholding principles of territorial integrity and self-determination has been a central challenge for negotiators. Reportedly, there have been discussions around granting some form of autonomy or special status to these regions, allowing them to exercise a greater degree of self-governance within the framework of a broader settlement. However, reaching an agreement on the specifics of such arrangements has proven to be a contentious issue. Another critical aspect of the talks is the question of security guarantees and arrangements for Ukraine. Ensuring the country's security and protecting its sovereignty are paramount in any negotiation process. Reportedly, there have been discussions about establishing a security mechanism that involves collective security guarantees from a range of countries or international organizations. These guarantees would aim to deter future aggression and provide Ukraine with a sense of security. Additionally, talks have reportedly touched upon issues related to military transparency and confidence-building measures, such as restrictions on military activities near borders or the exchange of information about military capabilities. The goal is to create an environment of openness and trust, reducing the potential for misunderstandings or escalations that could reignite the conflict. Equally important is the discussion around neutrality and alliances. Ukraine's potential membership in the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, has been a source of contention and a key point of contention in the conflict. Reportedly, there have been discussions exploring various forms of neutrality or non-alignment for Ukraine as a means to address Russian concerns regarding NATO's eastward expansion. This includes discussions on possible security guarantees from neutral countries or international organizations. It's worth noting that these discussions are intricate and touch upon fundamental principles of international relations: non-interference in internal affairs, the right to self-defense, and the balance of power. Navigating these complexities requires a delicate touch and a commitment to dialogue and compromise from all parties involved. As the talks in Alaska progress, the international community remains cautiously optimistic about the potential for a diplomatic solution. The presence of key world leaders, including US, Russia, Ukraine, France, and Germany, signifies the seriousness with which all sides are approaching these discussions. It's important to recognize the significance of these negotiations as a potential pathway to ending the conflict and restoring peace in Ukraine. A successful outcome would not only bring relief to the people of Ukraine, who have endured immense suffering during the conflict, but would also have broader implications for international diplomacy and conflict resolution. However, it's equally important to acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. Reaching a comprehensive and lasting settlement will require difficult decisions, compromises, and a shared commitment to peaceful resolution. Overcoming deeply rooted historical grievances, security concerns, and geopolitical tensions will not be easy. It's crucial that all parties remain committed to dialogue, demonstrating flexibility and a willingness to find common ground. Nevertheless, the talks in Alaska offer a glimmer of hope in what has often seemed like an intractable conflict. The willingness of world leaders to come to the negotiating table is a positive step towards finding a peaceful resolution. While the road to diplomacy is fraught with complexities, the pursuit of peace and stability in Ukraine is a journey worth having. Now let's delve deeper into the potential ramifications of the discussions taking place in Alaska. Any agreement reached in these talks could have profound implications for the future of Ukraine and the broader international order. Here are a few potential ramifications to consider. First, the outcome of these negotiations could significantly impact Ukraine's future relationship with the West, particularly its aspirations to join the European Union and NATO. A negotiated settlement that involves neutrality or non-alignment for Ukraine would signal a shift away from the West, potentially aligning Ukraine more closely with Russia. Conversely, an agreement that maintains or expands Ukraine's ties to the West could reinforce the existing divide between Russia and the Western Bloc. Furthermore, the discussions in Alaska are taking place against the backdrop of broader geopolitical tensions between Russia and the West. The outcome of these talks could shape perceptions of Russia's role and influence in Europe. A successful diplomatic solution could enhance Russia's standing on the world stage, demonstrating the effectiveness of diplomacy and negotiation. On the other hand, a failure to reach a meaningful agreement could contribute to further mistrust and escalate tensions between Russia and the Western Bloc. Moreover, the negotiations in Alaska are occurring at a time when global power dynamics are rapidly evolving. The rise of new economic and military powers, coupled with shifts in alliances, is creating a complex web of interests and influences. The outcome of these talks could serve as a template for future diplomatic efforts in other regions of the world, influencing how global powers navigate these shifting dynamics. Finally, the success or failure of these negotiations will likely be scrutinized for its implications for international law and the rules-based international order. A settlement that upholds principles of territorial integrity, sovereignty, and self-determination would reinforce the legitimacy of the international legal system. Conversely, if the talks fail, or if they result in outcomes that violate international law, it could contribute to a weakening of the rules-based order and embolden other nations seeking to pursue their interests through unilateral actions. In conclusion, the talks in Alaska represent a pivotal moment in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. The discussions taking place among world leaders from the United States, Russia, Ukraine, France, and Germany have the potential to shape not only the future of Ukraine, but also the broader international order. While the path to diplomacy is fraught with challenges, the pursuit of a peaceful resolution is essential. As the world watches intently, one can only hope that the discussions in Alaska lead to a comprehensive settlement that brings an end to the conflict, restores stability to the region, and paves the way for a more peaceful future for Ukraine and the world. What are your insights on the negotiations happening in Alaska? Do you think these talks hold promise for a peaceful resolution of the conflict in Ukraine, or do you feel they're unlikely to yield meaningful results? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Your engagement helps us better understand the perspectives of our diverse community. If you found this video insightful and want to support our channel, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing and sharing this video with others who might find it valuable. Together, we can foster a more informed and engaged global community. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more in-depth analyses on global politics and international relations. Let's continue the conversation.